guys, another day, another hair vlog or vlog, whatever you want to call it. Today is Thursday, the 16th October, and it might be wash day. This video is about the activities I take towards wash day and what my wash day looks like. So this is breakfast at 3 p.m. I don't know if actually wash day will be today. I'll try and prep my hair. I don't know if you remember, but I'm doing this thing where the day before wash day, I prep my ends with coconut oil. So I probably will do that today, study, go to the gym, and tomorrow, Friday, will be wash day. Theo, you're not a baby anymore. Look at him, what he's doing. He does this all the time. Say hi. Hi. You're so cute.
Neuropathy, serotonin, various symptoms and actions early from post of childbearing transcript. Point: can you distinguish diagnostic of ensure accurate clonal antibody AFP added neuropathy? Clarence state.
Sit. Theo. Start me. Sit. Okay. Good girl. I don't have milk, so I'm doing heavy whipping cream. I had no idea. Enhanced lift. That's what we're wearing. Can you not love them is what I mean. It's so cute. But we're gonna eat and I'll try to do wash day today. I hate myself for waiting so long. It's gonna be like nighttime when I do it, but it's okay. But I really do need to study. I have a quiz tomorrow. Okay, what's up guys? We're done. We're out of the shower. I rinsed the deep conditioner out already. So if you do remember, I only did pre-poo yesterday, but I only like oiled my ends yesterday without detangling with tools. I did finger detangling and I was okay with it because I had medium twists with flat twists. I'm ready to see if there's any tangles. I feel like I should have still gone in with a brush. To be a girl, guys, it's just not easy. Like, who chose this life for me, you know? So yeah, I don't even know what to do with my hair. Guys, I'm in the mood to put a wig on. I washed my two favorite wigs I have last week since I didn't have wash day. That was my wash day and I dried it, prepped it. I feel like I want to put the wig on, but it's the process. And the last time I had a wig on, like day 3, I wanted that thing off. Like I needed to itch my hair, but we've done wash day. So I kind of want to do the whole glue down and everything. And like, I want to do it. What do you say? That might probably happen tomorrow. So today I'm thinking of just reconditioning the hair in very medium twists, not mini twists, but very small twists. Girl, apparently I have a bigger head. My head is like a triangle. I have that flat head. I think my mom put me down a lot when I was a baby. So I ended up with a flat head and my head is like very horny here. Like horny. Oh, like horns here. That's what I mean. So I really have to make sure the hair is undetectable. I'm so excited about my nails. You know, I've showed it so many times, but I just can't get over it. I did it myself for reference. And it's so cool. Focus. It's so cool, guys. How does it look? Rate it out of 10. You've seen better ones probably. Yeah. But I love it. I love the length. I love everything about it. And it makes me look so classy and cute. Like a little cute girl. Anyways. Yeah. Let me put on some Netflix.
My hair is green.
Let me see if I find a good video. Pause. Hold on. Kylie Boyle posted, so I'm gonna watch her video. If you don't know her, go look her up. She's like, this is her. I did put in the Patent Beauty conditioner. Right when I rinsed the deep conditioner out, I put 2 pumps of this in my hair already. I think I'm still gonna go with it. 2 weeks ago, when I washed my hair, I didn't film that. I used the black Camille Rose Black Castor Oil Chebe. I forgot how good this smells. Oh, this is going on my ends. More like a butter. I'm going with the Moroccan oil on the ends to help with the fairy knot. The majority of my problem is those knots, the single strand knots. I use this to kind of help lubricate the ends. The Briogeo is amazing. As always, can't detangle. I wouldn't say I'll detangle my type of hair. Let me zoom in. Goodness. So I'm not standing on my tippy toes for who? My type of hair, right? It's very difficult to tangle with just a conditioner and a brush. For me, at least. And I'm tender-headed, so I just don't do it. The only thing trusted I'm gonna detangle with is my pre-poo. And there's also a detangler from my Black is Beautiful that I used to use. I need to buy it again. But that detangler too is clutch. I would literally tangle with that as well. Alright, so brow. And this is me now. I'm about to put makeup on it and I'm so scared. I'm hoping to wear this until Wednesday, but this is it. I love this wig. Like, alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. I hope your wash day goes well. Be kind to yourself, love your curls. Bye.